One more.
Can you make it? Can you make it?
Oh, you got it, buddy.
Come here, Ty. Come to Daddy. Come here. Come here, buddy.
Ready?
Tyler, can you make it? He's waving. He says, "You guys are gonna have to come to me." Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Take the snow. Let this go. Yeah, wait for mommy. Wait until I'm ready.
Ma!
Ready?
Come here, bud.
Set, go. Okay, look at mommy. Let me see. Smile. Keely, look at mommy. Look at mommy. Hey, look at mommy. I'll take a picture of you in the snow. Hey, smile. Look at me. You like the snow? Show me you like the snow. Smile. What do you think we got? Like 3 inches here?
I
4
guess.
inches?
Looks more than that.
You're not videotaping that conversation, were you?
Yeah.
Ma!
Tyler! Did Daddy wipe the snot off your face?
Hey, Keely, come here.
Okay.
Run to me. Come here as fast as you can.
I'm coming!
I think we're gonna have a great day tomorrow. Ty!
I'll kick your butt.
Don't say that.
Don't say that. Oh.
Wait.
Okay.
Hey, can you sit next to your brother on the ground and I'll take a picture?
You're ready. You're ready.
Okay. Bye. Keely.